Alright, so we're doing the fuel system today. We have the fuel pump, a hanger assembly, a sender, and we've already done it, but we cut off the fuel send line and we cut off the return line and we added in AN fittings to it. So now we're gonna splice in the fuel pump to the fuel pump trigger here. Black is ground, gray is power. We'll go ahead and use some butt connectors to connect those together. Should be soldering it, but that'd be asking way too much.
We don't have soldering. I ain't buying it.
Butt connector them. I hope these ones, you have a lighter?
No.
Yep.
That was
Fucker's too small. That one went in. What the fuck is this one, man?
Here.
Hold on. Chill, bro. It's burning up these wires, boy.
Lower it down.
I don't have that speed, bro. All I have is fast and stop. Hope your windshield can handle it.
Or maybe the ground is this one.
Alright, we're good. Good call. What the fuck you want me to say? Little bitch, you got it right this time.
Glad you got that on video, dude.
Oh. That's money. There it is. Alright. Pump is done there. Now we gotta go mount this on the truck. This is your Corvette filter / regulator. We already put on the two -6 adapters here and the -6 in here. You just push this one in, then you attach these two. Probably should show you how to do it. Let me just take one off. I'll show you guys how you do them. They're both the same.
Oh, dude, there was another one here too.
Oh, that's too big. So all you do is you take the fitting, you push it on all the way down, then you take the collar, you put this in, and then you screw this on, tighten it down, and that's it. Get a wrench, make sure it's really tight, which I'll do now. This one, like I said, you just push in. I'm not taking this out because this thing was a pain in the ass to get in. I actually had to hit it in with the rubber mallet to get it all the way in. But that's in. So you have this goes out to the engine, so it'll sit this way. This one goes out to this is your feed to the engine. And then on this one, the smaller one is your return, and this will be pointing towards the gas tank. The smaller one is a return, and the larger one is your feed. So your feed from your on your tank is the same. Here, I'll show you. So on here you can see this one's larger than that one. I'm not gonna tell you the exact size because I don't know off the top of my head. But the larger one is your send. This is connected to the fuel pump. And this shorter one is your return. So your return will go here. From here you'll have your return going there, and then your send to there. And this will sit in between. And we should put a filter in. Oh no, we don't need to put a filter. This is a filter.
Yeah, like that.
So we'll just mount this on the truck. We'll do that here in a second. First I'm gonna tighten these two down, and then we'll get back with you on putting it on the in truck. I'm mounting this. But let him get a light first so you guys can see what the f I'm doing. I can't see right there. I'm gonna slap this son of a bitch. Alright, yeah. Alright, so we mounted it here to the frame, right where the stock lines are going. And like I said, we have this going to the engine. You have your fill or your send and your return here. So I'll show you up front at the engine. The engine only has one line coming in, so there's no way to actually return it from the tank. So that's why you use the Corvette filter / regulator, because this will return from here. So when this runs at 58 psi, I think it is 58. Don't quote me on it. It's either 58 or 63 psi. Pretty sure it's 58 psi. And anything over 58 psi is going to return whatever back to the tank and only send 58. So we'll have 58 pounds of pressure up at the fuel rail. All right. So now we're going to just run. We're going to measure the lines, and then we can make the lines to run these. All right. Let's go.
This fat ass trying to get out.
Fat. Look who the is talking.
You weigh like 240.
I weigh 250 right now, but I'm as thin as I used to be. See, who's farting getting up, stressing over there? Butt cheeks are all clapped together. All right. So now what we need to do, I need you to do this piece, and then I'm gonna try to figure out the fucking. So this, we need to go from here back to the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a fitting for this.
What is it with you poking my ass? Holy crap.
This guy, dude, getting all excited. You start sweating soon. Yeah, sometimes, so what I like to do, or what I've done always, is I wrap the end with black tape. This is the cut. This is the end that it came on, so it's already cut for us. So I wrap this with black tape. Uh-oh.
Hi, puppy.
You wrap it with black tape, that just keeps the fraying out of the way, so you can take this piece, because you got to put this on. And I know a trick, but I'm not going to do it right now. Well, actually, I should show you a trick. Watch, let me show you guys a trick. So you get a 19 in this case. For a dash 6, you get a 19. You put this in here, and you take this, put this in like that, and push. And boom, you're on. Check tip number 1. Caught like a
Easy north.
the height. Alright, we're good. I can do it right. That's how long I need it to be there. So I'm gonna cut this here. Nice and perfect. Send line is done. Our send line on, not tight, or just tighten it hand tight for now. And we'll go down in. Oh, we have our line hooked up to the filter, and it swings and goes up there, comes around. You're not gonna be able to see that, but. Goes up to the engine, and we're good to go. Here. Our fuel line is ran. Our main line, our main fuel line is ran to the back to the filter. I have 2 lines that I have to make at home for the filter to connect to the tank, which I'll make and I'll have ready for tomorrow, which will be instantly for you guys. And then that's it for the fuel system is done. Then we just got to wire in the fuel pump to the main harness. We have to make 2 wires for that. One grounded, one or signal. One 12 volt and one signal, and then the fuel pump will be done. I need to know which is which. Which is which?
What the f? Dude, I am seriously gonna open my garage, bro.
Yeah, open your garage. What?
I am not comfortable with this.
What? Shh. Test the pump.
Should I get my family out?
Ooh. Go. Any gas coming out anywhere? Look underneath the truck, see if there's gas coming out.
No.
You don't see it leaking anywhere?
No.
I'm the fucking man, baby. And then all we gotta do is figure out the ignition to get it started.